Hello and welcome, Ryan here from Fiskal, and today I'm going to take you through the purchase order receiving using the WMS app. So I have a purchase order here. It is an authorized, approved purchase order from Cases by Susan. It's stock first, and yeah, so we have the 50 units of the red large case, pencil case or stationery case. We have 200 units of the blue gel pens, okay, and this is what I'm expecting to receive. Now, there are generally, for all of the functions within the WMS app, there's two methods that we can use. We can either search for the page, like the purchase order, the sales order, or the transfer order, or we can scan a barcode that we add to our purchase order templates or our SO templates or our transfer templates. So this is what the purchase order looks like. I get that from selecting print and then print with barcode. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So here is what that would look like. So I have my PO, and then I can scan that, and it will take me to that purchase order. Alternatively, like I said as well, you can just search for it. So going into the WMS app, since this is a purchase order, we will be receiving, and then I can say there with a purchase order, right? And if I just search for nothing, it will pull up all of the available purchase orders that we are waiting to receive. However, let's see if this works. Let's see if we can scan that. And it takes us to the relevant purchase order. Okay, so then we say finish. We select it, say finish. Now we can see what do we need to receive from this purchase order. So there are 50 remaining units to be received of the red large pencil case or stationery case. And we also then have the blue gel pens, 200 remaining of those. So if I select the red cases, I see here that we have 50 remaining. I can select which bin to, or which location to set it to, and I can then receive all. And you can see that then it says there that all of them have been received fully, right? I go to the blue gel case, and I say that we are receiving all of these also to the main warehouse, and we say awesome. Okay, now you will have noticed that it suggested a location for me to go to. If we go back to Cin7 Core, you can see that we have our main warehouse location enabled. It is active, and we have directed receive or put away function, and it's based off alphabetical. Now I also have bins enabled. And then I have directed put away rules. Now this is all configurable and set up for us to use the WMS app accurately within your workflow, but I'm not going to touch on that right now. That's a bit of a deeper dive. For now, let's go back to our WMS app and say save for that purchase order. So we've received everything. Okay. Now we have received everything. Let's go have a look at that purchase order in Cin7. So let's reload the purchase order, and we should see that it's stock received. Awesome. Okay, so the stock has been received at main warehouse. The cases, the 50 cases, went to the main warehouse bin 1 on the 23rd, and the gel pens went to the main warehouse, no bin allocation, and to also on the 23rd. Okay, then of course we can continue with our invoice process, apply payments, and so on. Okay, and that is really everything there is to the purchase order workflow in Cin7.